Morning, everyone. Welcome to Thursday, May 21st. Drive to work here in South Florida. We almost had a car that ran into the traffic light right off the bat. I don't know what the hurry is first thing this morning. As we take a look around, we have all Florida license plates, as we normally do. But here we go. Hope everyone had an awesome Wednesday night. We're currently headed southbound. We got about a 15-minute commute. I want to thank all you guys for joining us. As we head southbound. Here in South Florida, we have partly cloudy skies. As we continue our drive southbound, everything looked beautiful and lovely. Traffic is moving along very well. Drop down in the comment where you're watching from, what city, state, or what country you're watching for. We got someone tailgating me this morning. But we'll do a brake check to get them off our tail, but hopefully they'll back off a little bit. You never know what's going to happen. I have both hands on the wheel. All equipment is locked down. Gas prices this morning is $4.45 a gallon. That's at our local Cumberland farm here in South Palm Beach County. As we come to the light, we take a look around. We have the same set of cars, all Florida license plates. Looks like we have a chance of rain this afternoon. As we get into this pre-Friday mode. At this particular mobile station, current gas prices is $4.45 for regular unleaded. Here we go. I guess sit back and let you guys watch this beautiful drive to work. And we get stopped by this line here. Does not hold very long. As we take a look around, we have all Florida license plates once again. Current temperature is 6:25 in the morning, 75 degrees, 88% humidity. Here we go. My truck is making a lot of noise, but going nowhere, but moving right along. Traffic's flowing very well. Sit back and enjoy this beautiful ride this morning. As we come to the next traffic light, take a look around. The same crew will be moving right through this light here. He has a lot of mufflers on this car, this truck in front of us, but just moving right along. He converted it looked like, but just making a lot of noise and burning a lot of gas and not really going anywhere. Moving around along, still got this person really riding on the tail as we come to the next traffic light. Take a look around. We have all Florida license plates once again. Here we go. As we enter our first speed zone. Let's see what we have. Moving right along our first speed zone. And we're green across the board as we clear our first speed zone. Beautiful South Florida morning. Partly cloudy skies. Here we go. We have a school bus. School police officer with no lights on, but here we go. We'll make it through our marathon light. Yes, here at Walmart, 445 on May 21st. As we enter into our second speed zone. Here we go. I think that's my Nebraska driver that's was tailgating me, and I was absolutely wrong. That guy's in a hurry, but he don't realize he's in the speed zone. But we'll see what happens. As we clear our second and final speed zone on this particular bypass road, we're green across the board, and we're going to get stopped by another traffic light. And as I take a look around, we have all Florida license plates once again. Here we go. Drop down in the comments where you're watching from. Really appreciate it. As we come to our next traffic light, once again, we have all Florida license plates. Here we go. Sit back and enjoy the drive. traffic light that we arrive upon. And take a look around. We have all Florida license plates once again. Here we go. We're into the drive. Passing the Westchester Golf Course on both sides. And you will see the clubhouse there on the left. And behind the clubhouse, you have the driving range right there, if you can see it. And on the right there is the other side of the Westchester Golf Course. Moving right along. And we're going to get started. One more traffic light. As I take a look around, everything is behind me, so I would call it Florida across the board once again for its license plates. Here we go. Moving right along, traffic is flowing very well. Drive town. 6:35 in the morning. Current temperature is 76 degrees. Humidity is 88% on Thursday, May 21st. As we come to our next traffic light, I want a person to take the time out to thank each and every one of you guys for watching the video to this point here. Don't forget to give the video a like, a comment, and share. Main thing is make sure you subscribe where you can be up to date with my travel along South Florida Highway. Here we go. Hope you everyone have enjoyed this beautiful ride this morning. Everyone have a great day. Remember, like I always say in closing, make sure we're positive at work, make sure that we're working as a team, and make sure that we're reaching for the company goals that has been set before us. There's no I in team, so let's work all together. Everyone have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow morning.